from beautiful Iceland, you guys. Oh my gosh!
Day 4 here. Today we leave Selfoss, head out to the beautiful town of Vik and Reynisfjara, where we see the black sand beaches, the awesome rock column formations. What are you doing up there?
Hi! Okay, go!
Today is going to be epic.
Today might be one of my favorite days. I don't know. You guys, you tell me. Here we go.
Let's do it.
Good morning from our newest and latest and greatest location. You guys, I feel like every place we've stayed has been so insanely beautiful and epic. Like, they just keep getting better. Like, I don't think we realized this place was gonna be so stinking nice when we booked it.
Yeah, every time we pull into a new place, get the key, unlock the door, and open it, we are shocked at how nice everything is.
Or unzip it, you know, whatever.
It's so true. But we just drove an hour and a half from the Bubble Hotel that we just checked into our Airbnb here in Vik. We're here for the next 3 nights and
I want to stay longer already.
we have a little bit of a view. You ready?
Ready.
That's right in front of us, guys. That's right in front of us.
Literally, we are looking at basically the black sand beach, which we are so excited to get down to. Right now, we want to give you a quick room tour of this insanely gorgeous room that I am standing in right now. We are staying at the Black Beach Suites. We just found it on Airbnb. Options were really limited out in this area during this time frame when we're here, and I don't even know how we came upon this place, but wow, am I glad that I did, because this place is so beautiful. Here is our general living area. As you can see, we got a couch, coffee table, big kitchen table over here. We can have guests over. We've got a fully stocked kitchen over here. We've got refrigerator, dishwasher, stove top, microwave, toaster, everything that you would ever need. Probably gonna have to hit the grocery store again. And one thing we really have loved while we are in Iceland over here, I will show you, is that all of their tap water is like so fresh and pure and delicious to drink that it truly tastes better than bottled water. Like, it's insane. Their tap water is so stinking good. So we've just been refilling with tap and it's great. Over here is the bedroom. As you can see, we got a big TV. We haven't had a TV at any of our places yet. This will be interesting.
Yeah, no TV in the bubble? What the heck?
I know. The heck? This is our little mud room. As you can see, we've already exploded in here with all of our belongings. And in here is probably the nicest bathroom ever.
And best of all is the views we have out this monstrous window. This thing is massive. We got a door right here. We can go out there on our patio, enjoy this beautiful view. This weather is looking good. We just had some rain pass through, but it's looking very clear now and beautiful. So we're gonna get out there and explore the surrounding beach.
To photograph all of the amazing churches that we are seeing. There's just something about these churches up against these mountains that is just breathtaking. And this one did not disappoint. We were driving down to the beach. I saw this and I'm like, I'm pulling over. This is too pretty. I have to take a photo. And I'm so glad I did. It's just so beautiful. Like, look at this landscape behind us. It's unbelievable.
And the sun.
Yeah, and the sun came out. The rain has stopped. I'm sure it will come again, but I don't even care. It's just too beautiful. And we're just in light jackets, no gloves. Daniel only has a hoodie on. I just have a sweater and this like rain jacket on, and it feels great out here. This is absolutely unbelievable.
Shell's excited.
I'm excited. What'd you think, babe?
That's beautiful.
Was that worth pulling over?
Well guys, we drove down here back from the Selfoss area down here to Vic, and we passed so much beautiful stuff on the way, and it was really hard for us because we're like, I want to stop, I want to fly the drone, I want to stop, I want to take a photo, I want to stop, I want to video something here, and we're like, well, we have to keep moving, you know, to stick with our itinerary and see the things that we came here to see, but it was really, really hard for us. But now that we're here, we're just stopping everywhere. We're taking the time to video, photograph, anything and everything.
Well, and one thing I feel like we're realizing too is that it just keeps getting better. Like, this place is unbelievable. The beauty of this place it's just silly. We gotta get down to the beach, you guys. We're done yabbering on. We're getting back in the car. We're like 2 minutes away. We'll see you there. Famous Reynisfjara.
Chelle, you pronounced it perfectly. Reynisfjara, black sand beaches. Because I tried to look it up, guys. I tried to look up how to say this stuff. But the waves are raging out here. They actually say don't get too close to them because they can have rogue waves come in and like pull you out to sea, like this monster right here.
Oh my gosh.
They're big, guys. But this is
I kind of want to swim.
Just black sand everywhere with like black rocks. It's the most beautiful beach I've ever seen. And we have the sun out there. That's actually like the peak. That's as high as the sun gets in the day. So it's kind of like beautiful lighting from that sun.
It's perfect.
The entire day. But not only do we have the black sand beaches here, but we have these awesome rock columns. This is very iconic here in Iceland. We're gonna get over there, climb up them, do a few photos. Holy smokes, guys, this place is beautiful. And then, just right over there, look at those rocks out in the water. Definitely be getting the drone up, showing you this from a bird's eye view. I think that's the only way to capture Iceland is from the drone.
I completely agree. Honestly, we were talking about that on the car ride here, and I just was like, it's so just gorgeous and beautiful everywhere you look. There's no way that like any of my lenses, any of our lenses, any camera lenses I feel like can even capture it. You have to just get the bird's eye view of the drone because it is that unbelievably gorgeous.
What are you doing up there?
Hi! You wanna come up? This is insane! Here, babe.
Oh my gosh. Guys, it just started raining, but we're climbing up on these rock columns here right on the black sand beach.
It is so rad.
Doing a few photos. We got Mr. Tripod out there. He's getting wet right now, Shelly.
Yeah,
I'm sorry, your
My
camera's
gloves are getting wet too, and I need them.
But holy smokes, how cool is this? These are just epic.
And they're totally natural, you guys. As far as I know, these are just natural, and they are absolutely insane. So
like
beautiful.
Perfect steps. Like, I wonder if you could scale all the way to the top. I'm sure you can.
Maybe you could. Like maybe a very experienced rock climber.
All right, should we go cover your camera?
Oh, thank you!
Shelly's gloves started to blow away. All right, we're gonna head down. This has been insanely cool. We just had a rogue wave come up over there. Here, come on down, babe.
Oh my gosh.
It was like a rogue wave that came up. These girls were posing for a photo back here, and it came up and they got wet like up to their knees.
Up to their knees. Oh, here comes another one. Yeah. These waves are insane.
All right, so we want to get around to the other side of the cliffs here, but the water is coming right up to it. So we're gonna have to time it, Shell, and run.
I know, I'm
the next time
nervous.
The waves go out. Here we go. Oh, wow.
Whoa.
Big cave. This is so cool.
jammies that we whipped up in our apartment right before we left. We brought them down to the beach because what else do you eat at the beach besides peanut butter and jelly sandwiches? So we're gonna dig into those right now because we're both starving and take in, I don't even think it's possible to take it all in. It is like mind-blowingly beautiful here, but we're gonna do our best. Okay, babe, you asked for double peanut butter. This one is yours. Careful, there's some jelly sticking out. And this one is mine.
The most basic meal in one of the most epic places on earth. Thanks, babe.
This is a pretty epic meal. Okay, go.
All right, we got back around that really shallow shore area where the waves are crashing all the time.
It's crazy. All of a sudden they just come up out of nowhere and get you.
Yeah.
Luckily, we did not get got.
Our boots are dry.
But we saw so many people who did. I'm like out of breath from running on this sand or rocks, whatever it is, pebbles.
There's a puppy out there. Guys, Reynisfjara beach, this was incredible. Like, breathtaking.
Quite literally,
Holy
I'm out of
smokes.
breath.
Yeah, we're heading back to the car though. Gonna go try and check out a few more sites before that sun goes down out there. We just drove the coolest road up way high onto the top of this cliff, and we're up at this lighthouse. It's very epic. You can actually see way down that way. That's where we just were with all those big rocks coming up out of the ground. And now we have this epic archway right here. It's beautiful. This is like a natural preserve. Tons of birds just flying everywhere. Like everything here in Iceland is epic.
I know, I feel like that's like the word of the trip is epic because it literally is exactly that.
And then up along this side here, you have more black sand beaches. I think that one's called Endless Black Sand Beach. And it just goes forever. Look at it. It's crazy. I just can't get over what is happening around us right now. They call it the Endless Black Sand Beach. I don't know why.
I can't figure it out.
It goes for a long time. Guys, I think we have a storm blowing in. Probably should not be on the edge of the cliff right now, but we'll move on very quickly. The sun is set. It is incredibly windy out here, and it's starting to get really cold.
It really is. With that sun gone and this wind, it gets really cold. Our faces are freezing.
But holy crap, today has been epic. Honestly, better than we could have imagined.
Truly.
And we cannot wait for the days that we have coming up. Yeah, for sure.
You guys, this trip just keeps getting better and better.
All right, we're gonna get off this cliffside, head back down to our Airbnb. Super excited. Hi, Birdie. Please don't poop on me. We both thought the same thing.
He keeps going over it.
Oh, let's get out of here. Go.
Oh, he left. No, he's coming back.
All right, we're out of here. We're just getting back to the Airbnb, and this right here is what most of our evenings look like. We've got a ton of stuff charging, always a ton of stuff. We have the 2 cameras, we have the GoPro, we have the drone, we have a plethora of other electronics that need to charge. And we've got Shelly already going at it hard here on the photos. The stuff from today, holy crap, it is so epic. Cannot wait to see more, cannot wait to dig into this video. But we're just getting stuff charged back up for tomorrow and starting the editing.
Crap, I'm hurrying. Oh, we got the wrong ones.
Most expensive frozen pizza we've ever purchased. We went over to the reception area and they had some food options. We ordered the pizzas and she pulls them right out of the freezer and heats them up. But they smell delicious. They're about 10 bucks a piece. Can't argue with that convenience.
Best frozen pizza I've ever had.
It's really good.
That's
That
a
was
wrap.
good.
The pizza was delicious. The Diet Coke was even better because we got it on ice. She gave us a bag of ice. She immediately asked us if we wanted ice with our drinks. And I'm wondering if it's because she knew we were Americans and Americans always want ice with their drink.
I sure enjoyed it. Thank you.
I don't know, but I'm so glad she asked because I said yes. So she gave us a bag of ice. We brought them back. We found these glasses and we just felt like they were appropriate dinner glasses.
We had Shell's 3 favorite things going on. Pizza, Diet Coke, and we got Seinfeld over on the TV here on their Netflix
This is
account.
the best night. Yeah, they have
great.
a Netflix account that they let us use. It's the best night ever. Truly, it could not get any better unless we had a northern light sighting.
We're gonna keep looking, guys. It's
leaving
kind of
the drapes
partly
open.
cloudy out there. We're gonna leave the drapes open, hopefully catch a sight of them because that would be epic. Anyways, we're gonna look every night for the rest of this trip for the northern lights.
You guys, today was insane. Truly, maybe one of my favorite days. I don't know. I feel like I'm saying that every single day.
Just everything was so epic today, so grand and epic, and
That's what you think of when you think of Iceland, I feel like, is just like unbelievable, mind-blowing sceneries. And that's exactly what today was. It was so beautiful, so much fun. We are so grateful that we are able to bring you guys all along with us. We love you guys so much and we'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching, everyone.